Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. Now we start our water pump and then water the rice field. This is our green plant looking like. I am here in my coriander field today. We are using water pump with diesel. Now you can see it again. I am out of here in my own paddy field today. Look at this rice plant. Aren't they growing beautifully? Just about a month ago, I planted every single one of these seeding by hand. I think because I uploaded photo my feed. It's such an amazing feeling to watch them growing strong. No, right now I am irrigating the field with this machine. Make sure the rice get enough water to stay healthy. Farming takes a lot of patience and care, but moment like this make it all worth. Just see, this is rice flour, and a few months after give me a white rice, just looking like healthy. Regularly I am eating this rice. Fingers crossed for a great harvest ahead. Thank you.